Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is aesbeautyglams. Today I decided to show my breakfast with you, okay? What I'm having this morning, okay? These are the things that I'm going to use for my breakfast. And this recipe is called plantain fritata. I said what? Plantain fritata. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my plantain fritata, okay? So let me show you the ingredients. A sliced onion and my small pepper, the green one, small one. Actually you can use the green pepper, the big one, okay, but I don't have the green pepper, so I decided to use them. This is egg, 6 eggs, and this is my mixing bowl. This is my plantain, and this is my salt and cape, okay. Yeah, these are the ingredients I'm going to use, okay. So without wasting much time, let's go straight to the video. Guys, after putting your frying pan on the fire, you add a friter, okay, or any cooking oil, you add it, okay. Then you add it. So after adding the friter or the cooking oil, you let it heat for some time. Then you add your sliced plantain, okay. So after the oil is hot, you add your plantain, okay. You slide your plantain and add it to the oil, okay. This is how you are going to do it. So after some time, you leave it to fry. After some time, then you take it off from the fire, okay. So after this, you turn the plantain, okay. You turn it, turn it. I mean twist it well, okay? Twist it to your satisfaction and check the salt and the cream, okay? If it is good for you, then you go ahead and fry it. So I'm done. So from here we are coming to fry our egg, okay? You put it on low heat. You put it on low heat. Put it on low heat, okay? You put it on low heat. Then your plantain, your fried plantain, you add it, okay? You add it to your egg. Make sure you add it one by one. You add it, okay? You add it to your egg. You put it on low heat, okay? Put it on low heat and you add your plantain to it. You spread the plantain, okay? Spread it. Spread your plantain inside. You should make sure that your fire is on a low, okay? You lower your fire, okay? So after you finish everything, then you cover it, okay? You cover it after 3 to 4 minutes. You come and check it back, okay? And please put the fire on low for it, okay? You lower your fire, okay? Lower the fire. So guys, this is how it will look, okay? This is how it will look. Ready to eat. You see? Wow. Guys, it's ready to eat, okay? So let's set the table and see. So guys, this is the final look, and this is the plantain frittata. You know, you can have it with your tea, you can have it like that with your bread, anything. You can take it like this, okay? It's a nice recipe. I hope you can try it at home and see how it takes. I'm coming to have my breakfast, and hey guys, I wish you are here to enjoy this thing with me. Hey, it tastes nice. Very yummy. I wish you are here so that you can taste some and you see how it is. It's very nice. Oh. It's very nice, okay? So you can try and have this thing in the house. I'm having my bread too here, so guys, try this thing at home. It's very nice for breakfast, okay? You only need your plantain, your pepper, your onion, your eggs, then you are done. It doesn't take much time, okay guys? You can try this thing at home. Try it at home. It doesn't take much time. Even within 10 minutes you are done, okay? Only 10 minutes is too much, so try and eat it. See you in my next video. Let me have this breakfast and see you in my next video, okay? We can enjoy some, okay? Guys, I'm full right now. Enjoyable.